Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Salesforce Learning. In this particular video, we will study about relationships in Salesforce. Now, what do we mean by relationships in Salesforce? So, relationships in Salesforce are the fields which connects two S objects together. Let's say if I want to connect a student S object with the course S object, I'll use a relationship field. There are two kinds of relationship fields in Salesforce. One of them being lookup relationship and another one is master detail relationship. But if you talk about the relationships in Salesforce, there are three kinds of relationships that are formed in Salesforce. That means you can use lookup relationship and master detail relationship to form these three kinds of relationships in Salesforce. So there are three kinds of relationships in Salesforce. One is one-to-many relationship using lookup relationship field. Another one is one-to-many relationship from master detail relationship. And third one is many-to-many relationship formed out of two master detail relationships. Many-to-many relationship is created by a junction object. We create a junction object. We create two master detail relationship in that junction object, and hence we create many-to-many relationship. So, like how do we create it? So you simply need to go to a child record. So let's say if I want to make student as the child and course as the parent, then I'll go to the student record and create a lookup relationship, create a field. Like just in previous videos we saw that we can create a pick list kind of field, we can create a text kind of field, we can create a numeric field. So similarly, we can create a lookup field also. First of all, choose which is my child and which is my parent. So if my child is a student, I'll go to the student record and create a lookup field with the name course. So that becomes student becomes my child and course becomes my parent. In first we saw one-to-many relationship. That means one parent and many childs. Second one is also one parent and many childs. But this can be formed out of master detail relationship. So that is the difference. One we are forming out of lookup relationship field. Another one we are forming out of master detail relationship field. So what's the difference between the two? We will see in the next slide. But these two are the relationship for one-to-many relationship. One formed out of lookup relationship, another formed out of master detail relationship field. Third one is many-to-many relationship. That means there can be many parents associated with many childs. So one course, let's say Java course is there and there can be many enrolled students in that Java course. So that is one-to-many relationship. But for a particular course, there can be many students. And similarly, a student can enroll into many courses. So student and course is many-to-many relationship and enrolled students and course is one-to-many relationship. We'll move to the next slide to understand the difference between lookup relationship and master detail relationship. The first two, both of them are one-to-many, but what is the difference actually? So master detail relationship is tightly bound. What does that mean? That means that child cannot exist without parent. Parent field is mandatory to create a child record. So let's say in this particular example again, if you are enrolled student is the child, you will go to the enrolled student and you will create a child record, but you will mention the parent in that. Similarly, in lookup relationship, child is created, but you can skip the parent value field. So in lookup relationship, I can create a student record even by not entering the course name. But if it is a master detail relationship, I will have to enter the course name whenever I am creating a student record. So master detail is tightly bound and lookup relationship is loosely bound. Then the next difference is only two such fields can be created per S object. So on a student enrolled student S object, I can just create two master detail relationship. In a lookup relationship, there can be 40 such fields. Then in master detail relationship, child inherits the security settings from the parents. So in master detail relationship, child will have the exactly same security setting as that of the parent. And in lookup relationship, child has its own security setting independent of the parent. So let's say if child is having um, uh, a private security setting and a parent can have a public security setting. But in master detail relationship, let's say if the parent is private, then child will also be private. Only the record owners will see the record. We will again discuss more about the security setting in the upcoming videos. Then in master detail relationship, deleting parent deletes all the child records. So let's say if I have deleted the course, entire students enrolled in that course will get deleted. If I am deleting the Java course, all the students enrolled in that Java course will automatically get deleted. So that is master detail relationship. Lookup relationship is deleting parent does not delete the child records. Master detail relationship, there is a field known as roll up summary field. So roll up summary field, what it does is it calculates the sum of entire child records or the count of entire child records or the max out of the child records or the min out of the child records. Roll up summary field cannot be created for a lookup relationship. And the last but not the least is standard objects cannot be the child of a custom object in a master detail relationship. So let's say in a master detail relationship, let's say there is a custom object. Custom object means the object that we create are the custom objects. The S objects which are provided by Salesforce like account, contact, opportunities, those are the standard objects. So in case of standard objects, I cannot make them the child. I cannot have a student as parent and account as the child in master detail relationship. But in lookup relationship, I can have account as the child as well and student as the parent as well. That means a custom object can be the parent and a standard object can be the child to it in a lookup relationship, but not in master detail relationship. We will look into the practical implementation of these features of Salesforce, these relationships of Salesforce in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned. Happy learning and thank you. Bye bye.